What's up, Cookerist? Welcome back to the channel. So today's recipe is Sotanghon Guisado. First off, let's go ahead and boil the chicken with onion, salt, pepper, and bay leaves. We would recommend that you watch the video until the end. That way you will not miss a step in the process of cooking this recipe. First step would be to mince our garlic. Let's put the garlic in the pan and saute that together with the onion and the chicken later on. Chop the onion. Saute that onion together with the garlic. When the chicken is cooked, set aside the broth and we could go ahead and slice the chicken. Mix and saute it together with the onion and the garlic. Here's the preparation for the carrots. Combine it in the pan together with the chicken, the onion, and the garlic. Here are the steps on how you would prepare your celery. Combine your celery in the pan. The next step would be using a strainer. You can go ahead and pour the chicken broth into the pan. You may now season it with pepper. Using a strainer, pour your annatto water into the pan. Annatto water is a mixture of 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of annatto seeds. It's otherwise known as achuete. Next would be the preparation of 2 cups of snow peas and the half cabbage. Add the cabbage and the snow peas in the pan and simmer for 3 minutes. This step is one of the most important things in this recipe. Remove the vegetables from the pan with a slotted spoon, that way we do not overcook our veggies. Immediately after removing the vegetables from the pan, you may now put in the sotanghon and stir as it softens. Also, Cookerist, if this video has been helpful to you, we would appreciate if you could help our channel grow by liking this video, leaving a comment, and then consider subscribing and clicking that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. Alright, fresh from the kitchen, guys. Let's try this one out. Veggie still crunchy. Show it to you up and close. Whoa! Look at that.
It's good. Go try this at home, guys. Feel free to use the comment section to let us know what other recipes you would like to see in the video. And of course, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and help the channel grow. I'll see you on the next video. We're out. Peace.